Are you tired of juggling multiple pans while cooking? Meet the Chefman XL Electric Griddle, your new kitchen hero. This remarkable griddle has an extra-large cooking surface of 10 by 20 inches. It provides ample space to cook for your whole family or a crowd. With adjustable temperature control ranging from 200 to 420 degrees Fahrenheit, this griddle is versatile. You can warm your foods, fry breakfast favorites, or grill meat to perfection. Plus, it promotes healthier eating. The included drip tray collects excess oil and grease, and the non-stick surface reduces the need for added oils. Cleaning is a breeze. The griddle cooktop is fully immersible. Just remove the temperature control before putting it in the dishwasher. No more struggling with greasy skillets. Imagine the convenience it brings to your countertop cooking. Adding extra cooking space for family dinners or holiday gatherings has never been this easy. And rest assured, it's all approved and built to last with advanced safety technology. Chefman offers a 1-year assurance for your peace of mind. Currently, it's available for a limited time deal at $39.96. That's a saving of 20% from the list price of $49.99. Join over 8,000 satisfied customers who rated this griddle highly. Customers praise its easy cleaning and quality. One noted it saves on cleaning multiple pans. Many love how perfectly it cooks pancakes and bacon. Its compact design fits well in small kitchens while remaining user-friendly. Ready to elevate your cooking experience? Click the link in the description below to purchase the Chefman XL Electric Griddle. Hurry, this deal won't last long. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Your support inspires us to create more amazing content every week. Thank you for watching.